Are you looking for the best benchtop planer? In this video, we will break down the top 5 benchtop planer on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. DEWALT DW734 Benchtop Planer. DEWALT consistently produces high-quality tools that are built to withstand some serious workloads, and this DW734 Benchtop Planer is no exception. While most benchtop planers have just 2 blades, this one features a 3-knife cutter head that's capable of making 96 cuts per inch with a cutter speed of 10,000 RPM. The stout 15-amp motor keeps everything spinning with ease, even when you're sanding through hardwoods. Snipe is greatly reduced with a 4-column carriage lock and 33.5 inches of material support. To extend the life of your knives, the knives in this machine are reversible and disposable. However, they do have a tendency to get nicks in them when they hit knots. You can usually sand these out, or just flip the knife around and keep working. At number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMU320 Benchtop Planer. As a reasonably priced planer that can handle up to 12-inch boards, the CRAFTSMAN Benchtop Planer is worth a look. It has a 15-amp motor that produces cutter head speeds up to 8,000 RPMs. Thanks to its 2-blade design, this provides 16,000 cuts per minute, which is enough for most light-duty hobby work. If you won't be using your benchtop planer that often and are a bit short on space, you might appreciate the fold-up in-feed and out-feed tables that make storage a bit easier. These tables do sacrifice a bit of rigidity over solid cast bases. However, the CRAFTSMAN can handle materials up to 12 inches wide and 6 inches thick. For boards up to 8 inches, there's a maximum depth of cut of up to 3 by 32 inch, and beyond 8 inches, depth of cut will vary. At number 3. WEN 6552. For the home shop or contractors that don't use a benchtop planer all that often, the WEN 6552 will certainly do the job with pretty much the same ease as the big boys. It has a powerful 15A electric motor, so it can handle hardwood as well as any of the best benchtop planers. At a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, FPM, the 3-blade cutter does an amazing 25,000 cuts per minute. So, in terms of smooth scallop-free cutting, the WEN 6552 has the goods. Oversized depth scale and a large crank handle with fine adjustments take all the hassle of setting the depth cut to within 1 by 64 inches. Scale markings are 0 to 3 by 32 inches. Depth and width capacity are equal to the others, and 6 inches maximum depth capacity and 13 inches maximum width. Fold down in-feed and out-feed tables offer a good deal of support and can be adjusted for the best in-feed angle. As a very portable benchtop planer, the WEN is great. Lightweight design, folding tables, and comfortable handles all contribute to its portability. This is a very capable machine, with many features that one wouldn't expect to find on a benchtop planer this cheap. All this makes the WEN 6552 outstanding value for money. At number 4. DEWALT DW735X. It offers dual speed settings. One is for dimensioning, while the other is for finishing. The scales for blade height and the depth of cut are accurate, large, and easy to read. It has a very large depth stop at the side. The hand wheel is larger than those on other thickness planers. The in-feed and out-feed tables are detachable. Firstly, this DEWALT planer is beefier and heavier than its rivals. Everything, from the motor housing to the maximum width of the board it can accommodate, is larger. For example, it can accommodate boards with width up to 13 inches, and it has longer in-feed and out-feed tables to ensure that even the longest boards are supported and that the base remains stable under the board's weight. The hand wheel, repeat cut knob, and scales are also beefier than other thickness planers. This tool is fitted with a 3-knife cutter head for maximum efficiency. Moreover, it has a fan-assisted chip ejection system to prevent sawdust from clogging the dust exhaust port. Attach a shop vac to this planer while using it, as this can spray sawdust everywhere. At number 5. Makita 2012 NB. This machine is a little over 60 pounds and has a compact design, thus strengthening its portability feature. If project needs include transport to different work sites, this is a solid option. It also has low noise emittance, making it more comfortable and safe to operate. For safety, It has an LED light feature to indicate when it is plugged into a power source and ready to operate. Don't let the size fool you, this is still a powerful piece of equipment. The Makita has an 8,500 RPM motor and the maximum input width is 12 inches. The cut depth is 1/8 of an inch. The planing depth is 1/16 of an inch. It is easy to use, making this a suitable choice for new woodworkers. It has a 1-year warranty. This purchase does come with the double-edge planer blades, wrenches, and a toolbox. However, there are some financing options available from select retailers. The dust collection hood is also sold separately, creating another purchase.